Yeah. Come with my niggas on flat flow. I got the platform. Nigga be killing this shit all night. I got my wheel running. Nigga be sipping the lean all night. And I be rapping. With my nigga on the spotlight. And I be killing. Why ain't seen BS to me straight, nigga? And we ain't playing. Every time I'm out here, nigga, listen to hustling. Shout out to my niggas. Shout out to this platform. This is really the black flow. Nigga, I be doing my was by Chris X. I'm 25 years old. You know, I'm grown. Yeah. Where we started from high school. So
21.
That must be 2014. Well, the dream came along, so 2014 up to now we still rapping. I got a clique by the name YCBS, and we have a bunch of tracks already, like over 20 tracks. So we're coming up, a couple EPs coming soon, and a couple singles too. So we're still going hard. We only do the big things. Yeah. Well, Black Flow is my home, so whatever happens in Black Flow happens in my world. I just think that Black Flow is something for myself, you know what I mean? It means a lot. So Black Flow is the thing. I rock with Black Flow everywhere. I rock with Black Flow every time. Right now, okay, let me say the industry right now is it's kind of shaking, you know. Hip hop is coming up, so there are a number of really good artists out there, so I would just like to meet them and see what's up. I have no specific artist I want to collab with, but anyone who comes around with talent, I'll be ready. Well, I don't do beefs, you know. I like to keep the smile on my face. So I don't do beef. I just do my thing. So I don't beef with anybody. I have no beef at the moment, and I don't think I'll have any. Okay, maybe niggas will want to make beef, but I don't make beefs. I don't make beefs. So, yeah. The voice rap?
Yeah.
Okay. We came a long way from the jungle till we moved up in the city. Let my niggas turn it up because they really came a long way. I ain't wanna go back. I just wanna do this shit right now because I know my talent's real. And everybody watch me now on Black Flow, and I wanna do this in this platform. Shout out to all my niggas right here. We made it really doing good things, big things, and I really I wanna go along with them. Shout out. Shout out.